Hi friends, hope you are doing well. For the Media Lab 3, I'll be discussing about the animation name is Here is the Plans. I have chosen the animation Here is the Plan for my project 3, and for my project 3 I'll be making these slides of the Here is the Plans, and I'll be discussing for the first part, I'll be discussing about the summary of the story, what happens to the married couple dog and cat, and what happened to the dream, what they dream of. I'll be discussing in details in the first part in the summary, and for the second part, I'll be discussing about what message the animation try to give to the audience. Like c- from the story of the animation, what message we're getting and what it means. And I'll be discussing in this project. And for the part three of the animation, I'll be discussing about the major theme of the animations, the the basic information. What's the basic purpose and what's the basic information the animation is trying to give. I'll be discussing in this project three. And for this, I'll be making a more slide than this. I'm just mentioning about the plan for the Media Lab 3, and uh, for the article, I have choose to give article about Steve Jobs. I hope you all guys know about Steve Jobs, the founder of the Apple company, and I'll be discussing how the story of the Steve Jobs and the story of my animation I'm choosing correlated to what informations they try to give. I have to this article to support my animations, to support the informations, to support the theme of the animation I'll be providing. I'll be preparing more slides than this. This is just basic informations I try to give how I will manage the my project tree. For the project tree, I'll be preparing more than seven or eight slides, and I'll be discussing in brief for each of the slides. I'll separate each slide with their heading, like for the one I'll be mentioning here's the plans, and I'll give brief information about the summary and the message of information for another slide, and for the another part I'll be giving informations about the theme of the animations, and for the project for the next slide I'll be giving a brief summary about the Steve Jobs and about his story, how his dream, and I'll and for the last part, I'll be correlating what information they try to give. I'll try to combine both of the animations together and extract the major things they are trying to give for this project 3. I hope you'll be liking this video, and I'll try to make more better in my project 3. Thank you.